Good morning, students. Today we are going to be discuss number of atoms in a unit cell. In the last class, we have been discussed the different types of unit cell. One of them is the primitive unit cell. Primitive unit cell or simple unit cell. In such type of unit cell, there are 8 lattice points. So let us consider a simple cube like this, and there are 8 corners, and the particles are present only at the 8 corner. No any particle is present other than the corner. So total lattice points equals to 8. But today we know that here what is the actual number of particles present. However, it looks like, so there are 8 particles, but actually these 8 are the lattice sites or lattice points where the particle, that is atom or molecule or ions, are present. So for this we will take its structure in close pact, like, so this is a base of a cube. So a square is a base, and then there are 4 corners here, and the particles are present in such a way when closely packed like this. Yes. So it means 1, 2, 3, 4 in this these corners, and again the other 4 above this. So therefore, suppose we will consider this a sphere. So only 1/4 is present in this surface, and the half of this part is also present above this. So it means altogether 1/2 into 1/4 means only 1/8 part of the actual particle present in one unit cell, and the 7/8 are present in the other. It means a single sphere represents total 8 unit cell, and therefore in one unit cell only 1/8 part of the particle is present. And since the total number of lattice point is equal to 8, and therefore the actual number of atoms per unit cell is equal to 1/8 into 8, means 1. So therefore this is also represented as Z. So Z is equal to 1 for a simple cubic, and this is also called a rank of a crystal. Now the second type of the unit cell is body centered. Body centered unit cell, it is also called BCC. We know that in a body center there are 9 lattice points. The 8 at the corner, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1 at its body diagonal, like here. Just think about this particle. The particle which is present at its body center, it represents only one unit cell. Just you will consider your classroom and then draw body diagonal, and then the particle which is at the body center represents only one classroom. So therefore this is completely present in one unit cell. So therefore it represents 1, but these corner particle represent only 1 by 8. So therefore total number of atom is equal to 1 by 8 into 8 plus 1, means 1 plus 1, 2. So therefore Z is equal to 2 in BCC. But in the third type of unit cell, that is face centered unit cell, FCC, we know the total lattice points. The total lattice point are 14. So let us consider the face centered unit cell like this. Here there are 8 corners and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 faces. So the particles which are at the face represents only 2 unit cell. So therefore each particle at the face represents only half in a unit cell. Total number of face particle 1 by 2 into 6 means 3. So therefore total number of atoms in FCC is equal to 1 by 8 into 8 plus half into 6, means 1 plus 3, 4. That is Z is equal to 4 in case of FCC, because there are 8 corner particles and each corner particle represent only 1 by 8 in a unit cell, and there are 6 face particle, and therefore only 1 by 2, half of that particle is one face of a unit cell and half in the other face of the unit cell. So therefore these are the actual number of atoms present in different unit cells, and these are helpful in solving the numerical problem if the different types of unit cells are given. Thank you.